269. You're not ready for this. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Bam! Nothing fucking there. What's up with that? Well, let's look at the code. So in the top level constant macros section, we have added this in video 264, but we're going to use it now. So we're going to map a Fourset subcell index to an XY cell coordinate. So for cell 0, it's 0, 0. For cell 15, it's 3, 3. Cell 14 has 2, 3 on the X and Y. We're going to take this and we're going to use it down here in the top level lookup tables. And we have two lookup tables we want to create. So we're going to create a battleship grid for the X values, battleship grid for the Y values, and we're going to meticulously rename all these terse variables so that we can use this diagram to create the lookup tables we need. So we're going to have this one for the X values right here, and we're going to have this one for the Y values here. So what is this doing? Well, it's remapping the touching value to the correct X cell, and then we have remapping the touching value to the correct Y cell. So we don't have enough time to go over how that's done, but I can show you really quick the concept. So we have a Fourset graphic. We're going to zoom out. We're going to colorize it. We're going to label the numbers, and we want to shuffle around these numbers and pair them in groups of 4 to generate the auto tiles. So we have 8 procedurally generated auto tiles here, and here's an example of making a donut shape with those procedurally generated auto tiles. Okay, so now let's go further down. We've turned use ATF on, and here's where we're injecting both of those lookup tables. So we have the X table, and we have the Y table injected into our shader lookup table on the GPU side. And here is where we're eventually going to write the code branch for the logic for this advanced rendering. Nothing is here yet. And this is our pre-processing function that takes a raw shader string and injects procedurally generated GSL code into it. We've added our 2 new lookup tables to the array of lookup tables, and then we've added the names we want in the shader. The names in the shader are going to match the CPU side names, and then here's the tokens we're going to look for to find and replace. We've increased the max index to 3 to make sure that everything works, and that's all the changes for the pre-processing code. Here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We are out of time, so if you want a longer explanation, you can go here, you are here, get the source code here, email me here, like, subscribe, send money in the mail.